What you will experience as you drive into the prestigious Forest Park subdivision is that all the homes were custom designed and approved by the developer who had a vision for New England colonial homes with a contemporary flair. The meandering roadways were sculptured into the landscape, and each home was carefully nestled into the woodland settings in West Mansfield, Massachusetts. There is something special at 11Southpark Lane, where you'll find an impeccably maintained 4-bedroom Cape Cod style home beaming with homeownership pride. New Anderson replacement windows, incredible attention to routine maintenance, and replacement of systems, exterior trim, doors, and siding. The large level manicured grounds feature an irrigation system and a shed. And speaking of outdoors, get ready for the summer, because it won't be a bummer, that's for sure. Swim in your above-ground pool, chill in the hot tub, and entertain in your wicked cool enclosed porch. There's even a lower-level finished playroom with a surround sound system and storage at this address. Be prepared, though, to be that home that everybody loves to congregate at. No shoe zones have kept these gorgeous hardwood floors in the formal rooms and in the foyer gleaming. The Familyroom has built-ins and the ambiance and glow of a gas log fireplace to be enjoyed by the newly remodeled kitchen with granite countertops and super entertaining sized island, gas cooking, and strategically designed functional cabinetry. A professional designer put their touch on the upgrades to the bathrooms, and we love the glass tile accents. The Haven is the spacious master bedroom suite, which has 2 walk-in closets and a spa glass and tile shower, plus a sitting room. You'll never have to travel far. There's shopping at Mansfield Crossing, Rentham Premium Outlets, or Patriots Place shops just within minutes. Entertainment at either the Xfinity Performing Arts Center, Gillette Stadium to catch a Patriots football or Revolutionary soccer game. Commuting is a breeze. It's just a 40-minute commute to Boston or 20 minutes to Providence, Rhode Island. Routes 495, 95, and 24 are all within minutes. 11Southpark Lane is everything you've always wanted, and it's located in one of the best neighborhoods in town.